Hi. Today I'm going to do some unboxing of some orders that I ordered from Amazon. So I'm going to unbox some of the things. Welcome, I'm Loretta to Nonya Recipe, YouTube channel, which I'm trying to do my once a day YouTube video for the month of December. So I've made some mistakes. Sorry, I'm a bit coughing. I've made some mistakes in recording my videos, and sometimes I press pause and then I thought I pressed start again, and then I started doing my cooking and then I realized I didn't press it on. So my whole video is like, gone, because it's not like speaking. You can go back and talk again, but for cooking, I actually have to cook the food. And if I miss a step and I did not take that particular um, sort of step that I'm cooking, that means I have to do the whole thing again. So that's the challenge of doing a hand-based or a cooking video. So that's the challenge that I find compared to just speaking, about something, and with that point forms, and I can say things, and if I make a mistake, I record again. And this is not as easy as that. So I think I don't have a problem speaking off the cuff, but I do have a tendency to, go off at a tangent, and my mind, like, goes in and out and things like that. So anyway, let's come to the unboxing. So let's see what I bought. I ordered it a few days ago. This is from Amazon. So I bought this for my Friday night takeaway. I think this one is already open. I think my daughter will take a peek at it. So this says Ideal Kitchenware. So that's me. And then let me see. Oh yes, I ordered some soup bowls. So I have lots of soup bowls to put the soups if we have. So this is about 500 ml. The previous one that I ordered was about 10 ounces, which is about 450 ml or maybe 400 ml. So it's just nice, but there's no gap, so I can't add extra. So that's the problem when I buy too small a round container for soup. So this is actually the same size as the square ones. So I first bought my first batch in, I think, May, because I had my first takeaway in June, I suppose, or end May, something like that. So let me get a knife. Yeah, this is my knife. So this is again from Amazon, and I think I have ordered this before. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Okay. What do we have? Okay, it's some plastic container. I'm trying to look for non-plastic, but actually this plastic container is not too bad. It's actually very hard wearing, very sturdy, and it's the Setco brand. And this one is a small one, the lower one. So I think it's about 500 ml, and I've got another one 600 ml, which is a bigger one. So this is just, I normally use it for one portion of rice or one portion of dish, and I use this small one. But sometimes there are people who ordered two portions, so sometimes the big one, I use the big ones. So this is actually quite handy, and this is about, I don't know, 50. Yeah, I don't want to buy so much because I want to make sure I have space in the garage for it. So for this one, these plastic tubs, some of my customers actually, who are regulars, actually keep the tubs and return to me because they just don't want to waste. Although it is plastic, this is actually reusable, and I do use this type of plastic for my own house use, in a sense that when I freeze things or when I put things in the freezer, I use this type of plastic. So it's a reusable one, so it's quite environmental friendly. But if we can stop using plastic, that will be good, but sometimes we don't have an alternative yet. So that's why I'm still using it. But if you feel that you do not use it and you don't want to throw away, please feel free to give it back to me, because I do reuse it, you know. So I think it's better to reuse it than rather to just throw away after one use. But it's entirely up to you, it's your choice. But I have customers who do that, and I'm very thankful, you know. So we try to keep the environment use as less plastic as possible. So that's my 2 cents worth of my unboxing thing, which I'm trying to do, and I'm cheating actually. I'm supposed to do one a day, and as I explained to you, some of my videos have got missing parts. So that's why I'm doing this unboxing. But since I'm ordering things, so I'm going to do another unboxing of something very interesting which I received today, which I'm going to do later. So keep watching. I'm trying to keep you entertained, but I'm just wondering, do I include the weekend, Saturday and Sunday? Do I need to release a video? I don't know, maybe I don't have to, but I think I'll try and see whether I can really do once a day for 31 days for the month of December. So I'll try to keep it there, and hopefully I will stick to my promise. Okay then, and do you notice something? This phone of mine, the camera is this way, but I'm looking at myself. But if I look at the camera this way, I'll be looking at you, but then I won't see myself. So that's why sometimes you see that my eyes are this way. So I hope you understand. I think it'll take me a while to be able to do that, because my camera is I put it at what do you call that, landscape mode, not portrait mode, because YouTube doesn't do, if I do it portrait mode, it will be this way, and it will be very high, and it's out of proportion if you were to play it. Okay, I mean on the laptop, and in the phone it's okay, you just turn the phone. So I'll see you again. Thank you for watching. So I'm trying to get my face right. Okay, bye.